In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this math question easy and fast. So let's get started. The question says if 4x minus 4 equals 112, what is the positive value of x minus 1? Alright, so guys, this stroke we have that enclosing this 4x minus 4, alright, the stroke signifies absolute values. It means that the value on the left side of this equation has to be a positive value. Okay, so let's solve this manually before you can punch it in a calculator. Alright, this is simple algebra. Okay, so we have 4x minus 4 equals 112. Let's make s the formula. So this will cross over and we change the positive. So we're going to have 4x equals 112 plus 4, which gives us what? 116. Divide both sides by 4. Okay, so our x will be what? 116 divided by 4, we're going to have 29. So the question says what's the positive value of x minus 1? So when x is 29, this will give us 29 minus 1. So the right final answer of this question was 28. Alright, so that's the final answer to this question. Alright, so if you want to solve this with the calculator, the simple algebra we just did here, okay, linear equation algebra we just did, this is the calculator. The first thing to do is to reset as to say press second, press plus button, then press 7, press 1 to reset, or press 2, and we're good to go. So let's go to equation solver. So this is it, solver, press enter. So let's make this equation to have the default of this calculator. For this calculator, the left hand side of the equation is 0. So from the onset here, move everything we have here to this side. So the left hand side will now be 0. So we are going to have 0 equals 112. 4x crossing over, we're going to have minus 4x plus 4. So let's just do it. Let's just make it to be 112, okay, plus 4 minus 4x. Okay, keep same thing as 116 minus 4x. So let's use the calculator to solve this. So we're going to have 116, okay, minus 4x. So once you're done, press enter. Assign x to be a value which is I recommend. That's it. To solve, press alpha and this enter button. So x is what? 29. Okay, you see get 29. To get the final answer, subtract this minus 1 from 29. So that's 29 minus 1. You have 28 as the final answer. So this basically can do this kind of problem. This is not using either the calculator or the manual method. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video. Tell me if you want to learn from the video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a quiz in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button and getting premium information on how to solve other math problems to be dealing with. Okay, so having known that, click on the next button. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.